In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Canva. If you've ever wanted to make an engaging and attractive landing page without delving into complex design software, then this video is perfect for you. We'll be using Canva, a user-friendly tool that simplifies the entire process. Whether you're creating a page for a new product, a personal project, or anything in between, Canva offers a host of features to bring your ideas to life. So let's jump into the process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully customized landing page ready to go. First, let's get started by heading over to Canva. In the search bar, go ahead and type landing page. Canva has an extensive library of templates, and typing this in will pull up various options specifically designed for landing pages. This is your first step in creating a polished professional look without starting from scratch. Next, you'll want to browse through the collection of landing page templates available. Take your time to scroll through these and find a design that best suits your needs. Each template has its own style and flavor, so consider which one aligns with your brand or personal preference. Once you've settled on a template, click on it to bring up more details. The third step involves customizing the template you've chosen. Find the option that says customize this template and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Canva will seamlessly transition you into its editor, where you can start making modifications. You can adjust colors, rearrange elements, and really put your personal stamp on the page. Now it's time to edit the text on your landing page. This step is crucial as it lets your audience know what your page is about. Click on any of the text boxes to modify the content. Customize it to reflect your heading, description, or any call to action you wish to feature. Make sure the text is clear, concise, and compelling. This is what will draw your audience in and keep them interested. And that's it, you've just created a landing page using Canva. It's that simple. You can now download or share your finished page with others. Before wrapping up, here are a few tips. Always preview your landing page to ensure it appears correctly across different devices. With Canva's flexibility, you can continually refine your design until it's just right. Each step builds on the last, and by following along today, you've learned how to navigate Canva's interface to create stylish and effective landing pages. Keep experimenting and creating. I'm confident that with practice, you'll soon be able to design landing pages effortlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to share your projects, and I'll see you next time with more creative tips.